Oh, what's up, YouTube? I look rough as fuck, but we got a little short video going on. As y'all can see, my page is gonna be fitness and cars and more of my life because I need content and I'm always doing something, so I'm out here recording, huh? So what we about to do is right now, we ain't working out today, we working on the car. And I went and bought some paint. So I'm finna show y'all the paint I got. I got stuff to do. We got some paint, gloss black. So I'm finna show y'all what we gonna be painting. Then I'm gonna go in the house cause I'm painting in the bathroom. That's crazy, but I'm painting in the bathroom cause it be dusty outside and I really don't feel like trying to set stuff up outside. And I need to do a few coats. So don't judge me. The inside of my car is tore apart. I gotta put everything back together. It need an ECU. So if anybody got an auto ECU, hit your boy up. But as you can see, the buttons are gone. That one I need to take out. The trim is gone. So I got the trim in the house. I had to clean it, get it all wiped up and everything. And I'm gonna paint it gloss black because that silver, it just ain't doing it for me. Then I'm gonna take this airbag out, or I may just do it in the car, just tape everything off and put bags around everything. And I'm gonna spray this gloss black. So it'll be blacked out up there. This radio is for sale. I'll probably go Donovan, or I'm probably gonna go back to a Tesla screen. That one right there ain't worth the fuck. What we about to do is, we're gonna go in the house and get this shit rocking. Cause as you can see, that's my old one. The whole damn silver piece came off it. And this the other one. It's all bent up. It ain't no good. Don't want to get drips and runs. See how that's looking already? That's just one coat, you know what I'm saying? But probably, it's really like 2 coats, but we're gonna say 1 since that coat ain't dry. And what you're gonna do is a cross hatch. So you do it one way, you do it vertical, then you come back horizontal. That way you know you don't miss nothing. Then you just let it dry. Maybe an hour or 2. I'm too close to the camera, but I'm finna get this steering wheel taped up. I'm gonna move this camera. I don't like that being in my face like that. We're gonna get this steering wheel taped up and painted. I honestly wanna take it out. I think I'm gonna just paint it in the car. It's such a small spot. I may actually have some good luck, you know? What is that? 8? If I got an 8 in here, I'll take it out. That's a 7. Be my luck, paint be all in my dash. I probably should unhook the battery. But it's gonna work out because I needed to redo them wires anyway. So when I put the airbag back on, it's not messing with my buttons. I'm gonna undo this battery. I just want to get this out. I'm gonna undo the battery. On video, that'll be pretty bad if the airbag popped out. You know? There's paint on there, it can't go back. Then I'm gonna have to get something custom. If it don't. Fuck around, take the shift up and paint it too, but I got Alcantara for it. I just gotta put the stickers and stuff on, bro. These bugs are terrible right now. That's pretty simple. Let it dry, cause you can see it's gonna pit. Being that it's like aluminum, like a aluminum plastic, it's gonna pit. So you gotta do real like coverage on that. Let it dry, do it some more. All right, so here go the finished product. It ain't the best looking. I may still go carbon. As you can see, it's got like pitting right there. Up there got a few spots. Down there got a few spots, but from a distance, yeah, that should look pretty good. So I may sand it and repaint it, but every time I touch it, it get fingerprints and stuff. So we finna wrap this video up.